How to test an automotive thermostat. First, you take your handy dandy propane torch, light the flame, you set that end, put the fire near there. And if this part lifts all the way up, the spring compresses and all that, and if the bottom part lifts all the way up and everything is open, then it's good. If it does not do that at all, no matter how long you put the torch on there, it's bad. Or if you don't have a propane torch or you're out of gas, then you take your soldering iron, a 60 watt soldering iron I have. I don't know if a 40 watt one will work, but you just take the end and put it like that, and it should open like that. And if it doesn't open at all after at least a good 10 minutes max, then it's most likely bad. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to show the process. It shouldn't take no longer than a few minutes. And if I can do this without this damn thing ending up on the floor, it would be a goal accomplished. Oh, see? It is already starting to open up. And this is what you want. And I'm ready. I say this is a good thermostat. Yep. And when it looks like that, it's good. Yep. Hope this helps anybody out that's trying to test their thermostat without a torch. Or if they have a torch and the damn thing ran out of gas. Cheers.